We're back with another knife review. Today we got the Cold Steel Spartan. Very impressive knife. Let's go ahead and start talking about it. Of course, it's designed by one of the most underrated knife designers, Andrew Demko. It is a 10.5 inch overall knife. The blade length is 4.5 inches. It is OS 10A. It is a kukri style blade, kind of like the Raja. Flat grind, stonewash finish, plain edge, handle length is 6 inches. Of course, it has the Grive X polymer handle, lock back, stainless steel pocket clip, manual thumb stud for opening, so it has the thumb disc here on both sides, so you can open it with your left hand or your right hand. Has reversible pocket clip. This knife is made in Taiwan. It is perfect for my size hand. As you can see, it has a contour here where your pinky fits in there. Then you can hold it reversible. Has a nice spot here for your thumb. The weight on this knife is 9.14 ounces. Of course, you can tell that it's black. Blade thickness is 0.16. And it has room for a lanyard hole. We'll skip the... Oh, and of course this knife, like almost all cold steel knives, has a triad lock. As you can tell, it cuts cleanly and accurately. We'll bring it on down to the bottom. Cuts there also nicely. Showing it that it's easy to open. A lot of people don't find cold steel knives that easy to open. I guess a lot of it depends on your hand size. If you have a smaller hand, as you can see, this knife is way larger than my hand. My hand's only about 8.25 inches. But it's still easy to, it's ridiculous. Yeah, when you hold it in this manner, it's almost, I mean, it's just, it's just impressive how it cuts. It slices right through it. And of course the handle's hitting before we get the blade even to the bottom. So you would need to be cutting it up here to get all the way down. And you can use it for accuracy, which kind of seems counterintuitive since it is such a large knife. But you can do anything you can do with a small knife, you can do with a large knife. Only better. So this one, of course, is right up my alley. So once again, this is the Cold Steel Spartan. It has a, talk a little more about the blade. The kukri blade has that recurve edge, a big belly, and a very sharp point. This knife has a hollow grind on its plain edge, and it gives you it has a nice texture for this, I guess you would call it you get a very effective, I guess, or you get a nice grip. You can hold this knife, pretty much swing it around as you need to. Alright, on that note, if you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you like our post. Follow Atlantic Knife. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We have excellent knife content, so if you are a knife connoisseur, we're the place for you. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.